Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. With the class. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you able
Zoom
to see
is
the screen?
appearing, ma'am.
Zoom is appearing.
Zoom, ma'am.
Zoom. Okay. Right. Please wait. Okay. Now what is appearing for you?
Green board, ma'am.
Green board. Okay. So children, today we are going to learn. In the last class, we have been learning about alkali metals. So in the alkali metals, we have completed with what are alkali metals and what is basic information of alkali metals like lithium. We have learned about lithium, uses of lithium, and we have learned about sodium and its uses. And now we were in a pause of potassium. So today we are going to learn about potassium. So today we are going to learn about potassium. Okay. So potassium. Right, so when we study about potassium, we have to understand its symbol is K, okay, and its atomic number is 19. Potassium's atomic number is 19. Its symbol is K, and its electronic configuration is 2881. Why is its electronic configuration 2881? Why is its electronic configuration 2881? Children, so number of neutrons we have is 20. So potassium, the symbol of potassium is K, its atomic number is 19, and then electronic configuration is 2881. Why is its electronic configuration 2881 is in the innermost shell it has 2 electrons, in the next consecutive cell it has 8 electrons, and in the next consecutive cell it has 8 electrons, and in the next consecutive cell it has 1 electron. So hence its electronic configuration was written as 2881, and then number of electrons and protons present in potassium is 19, okay, and number of neutrons are 20. And what are the uses of potassium is potassium is generally used in as a nutrient. You know, potassium is generally used as a nutrient in fertilizers. So it is used as nutrient in fertilizers. So it is used as a nutrient in fertilizers. So you all know what are fertilizers. Okay, they are used for the agriculture purpose. In biological science you will be learning about what are fertilizers in detail. So this potassium is used as a major nutrient in fertilizers. And you know, potassium hydroxide, so potassium in combination with hydroxide, potassium hydroxide is used in making of soaps. Okay, so if you take potassium hydroxide. This potassium hydroxide is used in making of soaps and detergents. Okay, so potassium hydroxide is used in making of soaps and detergents. So this is the second use of potassium, and this is the first use of potassium. And then potassium chloride is used in explosive. Potassium, when combined with chloride, it is used in explosives. Okay, so potassium chlorate potassium chlorate is used in explosives. Right, potassium chlorate is used in explosives. And then potassium bromide, potassium in combination with bromide is used in photography industry. Potassium bromide is used in potassium bromide is used in photography industry. Potassium bromide is used in photography industry. Right? So what are the uses of potassium? What are the uses of potassium, children? What is the first use of potassium? Nobody is speaking. Akshara respond. Akshara respond.
Question again, ma'am.
Are you able to listen to my
Ma'am,
voice?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, once
Yes,
again, can you
ma'am.
explain, ma'am?
I'm asking you,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the symbol of potassium?
K.
K.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the atomic number of potassium?
19, ma'am.
19,
What
ma'am.
is the electronic configuration of potassium?
2882.
2881.
So why it is 2881? How?
Because number of protons and electrons are 19.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and in the innermost shell there were 2 electrons, and in the next consecutive shell there were 8 electrons, and in the next third shell there were 8 electrons, and in the last shell there is only 1 electron. Okay, so there were that is the reason they are written like 2881. Okay, so then how many protons and electrons were there finally? How many electrons were there?
19.
19 electrons
19,
were
ma'am.
there. And how many neutrons were there?
20.
20 neutrons were there. What are the uses of potassium? So potassium is used as a nutrient in fertilizers. Okay, potassium is used as nutrient in fertilizers. Okay, fertilizers are used in agriculture purpose. Okay, fertilizers were used in agriculture purpose. Next
Ma'am, can
is,
you explain again?
what you want to explain me?
Ma'am, potassium hydroxide.
Yeah, I'm telling you the same thing, Nana. I'm explaining again. You just listen. I'm explaining you
Okay,
again. Okay. Right? So potassium is used as a nutrient in fertilizers. Okay. Next, potassium when combined with hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is used in making of soaps and detergents. You know what are soaps, right? Everybody use soap.
Yes, ma'am.
And everybody use detergents, washing of clothes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tide, Surf Excel, Rin, whatever it is there, those are all detergents. So these all detergents and soaps are used with the help of potassium. What is there in soap? Potassium hydroxide is there. What is there in Surf, Tide, Excel? Yeah, potassium hydroxide is present in all soaps, Rin bar, Vim bar, dishwash bars, dishwash liquids, matty liquids, detergents, whatever it is
Ma'am?
there. Everywhere potassium hydroxide is used. Yes, please.
Ma'am, how it helps, ma'am, if potassium hydroxide is mixed in soaps and detergents?
What is the doubt?
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am,
Yes,
How
yes.
it is useful, ma'am, if this element is mixed in soaps and detergent?
Making soap, any substance you take, you take, they are made up of chemical elements. Okay. Any
Yes, ma'am.
substance, even water you take, what is the chemical name of water? You drink water. Okay,
Yes,
Yes.
what is
ma'am.
the chemical name of
H2.
water? H2O.
H2O.
H2O. H2O.
H2O. Okay. So
Yes,
H2O
ma'am.
is the chemical formula for water. So H is
Water.
chemistry here, O is chemistry here. These are all molecules. So any substance in this universe is made up of elements or molecules. Okay. So they are made up of molecules. Okay. So hence this potassium soap is made up of molecules of potassium hydroxide. Detergents are made up of molecules of potassium hydroxide. Okay. And additionally few things they will add for smelling purpose, for the purpose of color. Okay, different color soaps will look in different colors, isn't it? So some are pink, some are white, some are orange, some are green, some are red. Soaps are of different colors and different smelling also. Their fragrance is different. Some smell with the fragrance of rose, some smell with the fragrance of jasmine, some smell with the fragrance of lily, and different flavors were there, isn't it? So
Yes, ma'am.
different smelling fragrances were there. So it is all some additional things they will add, but the main thing which was there in manufacturing of soaps and detergents is potassium hydroxide. Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Okay.
Potassium
Clear.
hydroxide is the
Clear,
main
ma'am.
thing which is included in preparation of soaps and detergents, and additionally few other things they were added. Okay. And then it is used
Ma'am, your
potash.
voice very low, ma'am.
Yeah, is it clear now?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, so potassium is also used as a nutrient in fertilizers. Where are fertilizers used? Where are
Ma'am, in
fertilizers used?
fields. In
Huh?
agricultural
For
fields.
plants,
So
ma'am.
yeah, for plants in the agriculture purpose, for in order to get
Ma'am,
good
once
crop.
admit me again, ma'am.
Who is this?
Mine.
Yeah, you send me a request, I will admit you again. So in agriculture purpose, in order to get good crop, what will happen is, our farmers, they will use fertilizers. So this potassium is used in preparation of nutrients. Okay, is used as a major nutrient in preparation of fertilizers or in fertilizers. So potassium is used as a major nutrient in fertilizers. Okay, and potassium hydroxide is used in making soaps and detergents. Okay, what is used in making soaps and detergents, children? What is used in making soaps and detergents?
Potassium
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 hydroxide.
hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is used in preparation of soaps and detergents. And what is used in preparation of explosives?
Potassium chlorate.
Okay, what is meant by explosives?
Like nuclear bombs.
Yeah,
Bombs,
nuclear
ma'am. Bombs.
bombs. Okay, we know bombs. Generally, we hear about the word called bombs. Suddenly,
Yes, ma'am.
the bomb was blasted in so and so area, and this many people were killed, or these many people were injured and they were died in bomb blast. So these are all called
Yes,
as
right.
explosives. So what is there in the explosives now? What are there in the bombs? So
Potassium
potassium
chlorate.
chlorate. Potassium chlorate is there. Okay, is used in preparation of explosives. Potassium chlorate is used in explosives, right? So what is used in explosives? Potassium chlorate. What is used in explosives? Potassium chlorate. Okay, and then what is used in photography industry? We know photography industry. Okay, so photography industry is a very big industry where all different kinds of photo shootings will takes place. I know this all manufacturing of photo, this all there na, cameras, HD cameras, and different kinds of zoom cameras, digital cameras. So different kinds of photography screens were there, filters were there. So in order to this potassium in combination with bromide, potassium bromide is used in photography industry. What is used in photography industry? Potassium bromide. What is used in photography industry?
Potassium
Bromide. What is used in soaps and detergents?
Potassium hydroxide.
What is used in explosives?
Potassium chlorate.
What is used in photography industry?
Potassium bromide.
What is used as a nutrient in fertilizers?
Potassium.
Potassium. So the four uses, once again I am repeating about potassium. Potassium symbol is K. What is the symbol of K? Symbol of potassium?
K.
Potassium symbol is K. Okay, you have to remember this. Okay, symbols are very, very, very important. You should not forget even when you go to higher classes. The symbol of potassium is K. Okay, and its atomic number is 19.
19.
Okay, its electronic configuration is 2881.
2881.
Why it is written as 2881? Because the innermost orbit consists of 2 electrons, the next second orbit consists of 8 electrons, and the third orbit consists of 8 electrons, and the last orbit consists of 1 electron. The electrons which are present in the last orbit are called as valence electrons. And how many protons and electrons were there?
19.
19 electrons were present in the potassium atom. And how many neutrons were there? 20 neutrons were there in the potassium atom. Okay, so coming to the uses of potassium. So potassium is used as a major nutrient in fertilizers. Okay, potassium is used as a major nutrient in fertilizers, and potassium hydroxide is used in making soaps and detergents. What is used in making soaps and detergents? Potassium hydroxide. And what is used in explosives? In preparation of explosives, potassium chlorate. Okay, potassium chlorate, right? So what is used in photography industry?
Potassium bromide.
Potassium bromide. Potassium bromide is used in photography industry. Surya Kiran respond. Surya Kiran respond.
Ma'am?
Yeah, are you there in the class? Why are you getting disconnected in the middle of the class?
Ma'am, Surya is not responding, ma'am.
Surya Kiran
Yes, ma'am.
respond.
He's not responding.
Surya Kiran respond.
Ma'am,
Why are you getting disconnected in the middle of the class?
suddenly the Wi-Fi is coming that connected without internet.
So what are the uses of potassium?
Ma'am, just now.
If you see, others are joined and they were there in the class from the beginning, and till now I have repeated the same topic for 3 to 4 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the use if you say these all kinds of reasons? Surya Kiran, tell me. It is of no use. Very simple topic, explaining 3 to 4 times, and still. So who want to tell the answer?
Ma'am, I want to tell.
Nayan, I accept you reminding. Let everybody, others also, I should find out whether they are understanding or not. Sahasra, respond.
Ma'am, once repeat question, ma'am.
I'm asking uses of potassium.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, potassium.
1 minute, Hruday, I will ask. 1 minute. Sahasra, respond.
Ma'am, she has some network problem, ma'am, Sasha.
Why nowadays Sahasra is having some network issues?
Don't know, ma'am.
Previously, she used to have
issues,
very good internet connection, I believe so, and she used to be very regular to the class.
Ma'am, now everyone is having.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is having.
Weather is not good now, ma'am.
Okay.
At our house also daily power cut, ma'am.
Okay. So now, what are the uses of potassium? Please
Ma'am,
repeat.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is
potassium is
used in-
used as a major nutrient in fertilizers.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hydroxide
Potassium hydroxide is used in soaps and detergents, ma'am.
Okay.
Potassium chloride is
It's used in explosives, ma'am. Bombs.
Explosives.
Explosives.
Okay. Potassium chlorate.
Potassium bromide
Bromide
is
is
used in
used in photography industry.
Okay. Right. So Surya Kiran, did you listen to the answers? Surya Kiran respond. Surya Kiran
Ma'am,
respond.
I'm still again, ma'am. Voice
I
was
mean,
breaking.
photography where can they use, ma'am?
In preparation of
ink, that ink, ma'am.
yeah, in preparation of ink. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in
Okay.
different places they will use. Okay, so potassium is used as major nutrient in fertilizers. Surya Kiran, for you only I was repeating this points. Please note it down, or you please listen carefully, and then you have to tell me back the answer now. Okay, potassium, the first use of potassium is used as major nutrient in fertilizers. Okay, fertilizers are something which we use in agriculture. Okay, and potassium hydroxide is used in making soaps and detergents. Potassium hydroxide is used in making soaps and detergents. Potassium chlorate is used in explosives. Potassium chlorate is used in explosives. And then potassium bromide is used in photography industry. Okay, potassium bromide is used in photography industry. Right, so now we are going to study about rubidium. What we are going to study? Rubidium.
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 All these points you have to note down in your running notes, so that after completion of this class you can sit and read and by heart whatever was taught to you in the class.
Ma'am, is this there in course book?
It is there, but if you write now, what will happen is you will get lot of practice. Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
we should remember
Give
all
the
these
notes,
names,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, you have to remember.
Ma'am, when
Say
you'll give
one
this
trick now,
notes,
ma'am.
ma'am?
This
Uh-huh.
is
Chemistry
somewhat
note.
hard to remember.
You want what is the question? I'm not understanding. Okay, let me complete this all. Okay, and at the after completion of this explanation part, I will tell you extra points like how to remember it easily or something like that.
Ma'am,
Okay,
when you'll give notes for this week,
today I
ma'am?
will send week 1 notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Through MCB I will send week 1 notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you have to note it down
Yes, ma'am.
in your notebooks. Chemistry separate notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, for
now,
me,
We will do
plain books are completed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Only 5 books they gave.
Ah,
Ma'am, I'm
yes, ma'am.
writing in line notebooks, ma'am.
I'm writing. Yes, ma'am. Me too.
Ma'am told to buy single rule book.
single rule
Ma'am,
book is
using
there.
Single
rule
See,
they
books
only
are
give in
there,
whenever
our
you
ma'am.
school.
have, see, wait, whenever you have diagrams in the ruled book, it is difficult for you to draw the diagram. What I feel is, okay, so if you do
Ma'am,
not
no,
have,
ma'am. Physics in plain notebook only we wrote, ma'am.
uh,
Chemistry, ma'am.
In plain book only, ma'am.
chemistry also you will have diagrams, no?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
but
others
they are
will write
not
the
there, ma'am. How
physics
is
Very
drop
in
less,
box
ma'am.
and bind
rules,
box?
single rule
Book,
books,
ma'am.
Yes,
Single
ma'am.
ruled, if you have, you can keep single ruled. Otherwise, white you can keep. If you do not have both, and then it's up to you.
Ma'am, one side white and one side line books are
Yeah,
there.
that is what I'm
Those are
telling.
completed for biology, ma'am.
Ma'am, for physics there are no diagrams, no, ma'am.
What,
Physics
Nana?
diagrams will be very much.
Diagrams are there. Okay.
Yes, but very few.
Yeah.
That is
In
the reason I'm
this
asking single
this unit not there.
one page white and one page ruled. If it is there, it is good. Otherwise, your wish. Okay. If you do
Yes,
not
ma'am.
have
One
Ma'am,
book I
notebook,
have, ma'am.
join, ma'am.
hmm? Okay, Nana, don't waste the time. Okay, we will come with rubidium. So rubidium symbol is RB.
RB.
Okay, what is the symbol of rubidium?
RB.
Rubidium symbol is
RB.
RB. Okay, what is the atomic number of rubidium?
37.
Atomic number is 37. Rubidium's atomic number is 37.
37.
Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 18, 8, 1. What is
What,
the
ma'am? Once
electronic
repeat, ma'am.
configuration? Electronic
2,
configuration
8,
is 2, 8,
8,
18,
18,
8,
8,
1.
1.
Okay, ma'am.
Number of protons,
And number of protons
electrons,
and electrons are
37.
protons and
number of
electrons
neutrons.
or
Protons
electrons.
and electrons are same.
37. And number of neutrons 48. Okay,
48.
right. So
Yes.
Number
now
of
rubidium. Rubidium, the main
Uses.
usage of rubidium is it is exclusively used in the purpose of research. Okay, it is exclusively used in purpose of research.
In research, how they will use, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. How they use?
1 minute, let me write. We have lot of research going in the science department in discovery of different radioactive elements and their properties. Okay, and then their chemical compositions, because lot many materials are yet to be identified from the universe. Okay, from the especially from the air or from the universe, these are the elements which were invented by the scientists, and there is nothing like that only these many elements will be there. If some new scientist, or you tomorrow if you become a new scientist, okay, if you become a new scientist and if you want to invent something or if you want to discover something, then even you also can invent or discover something new element. Okay, so different kinds of research works will be going on in the international this scientific research units will be there. So especially this rubidium is used in the purpose of research. Okay, so further more details you will be learning in your higher classes.
Ma'am, means still it is under research, ma'am.
No, it was in, like for example, generally rubidium, if in your higher classes they will be giving you, like, these rockets are there. Okay, rockets, they will go in the rockets will go in the sky or in the satellites. Okay, in rockets or satellites, what will happen is there are some vacuum tubes. Okay, vacuum tubes were there inside the rockets while they were sent into the space. So this rubidium is used in vacuum tubes. Okay, as a material that combines, and it is one of the material which is used in the vacuum tubes in the rockets. It removes some traces of gases. These are all things you will be learning in higher classes. And this rubidium is also used in manufacture of some special glasses. Okay, and some spacecraft. Okay, you know what is meant by spacecraft, right? So spacecraft research work. Okay, spacecraft research work, it is used. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
other details were not given as per your class is concerned. Okay, and it is
Okay,
used
ma'am.
in research for some electronic gadgets also. Electronic gadgets development, electronic
Ma'am?
gadgets electronic gadgets development and research purpose also, rubidium is used. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
right. Yes.
Ma'am, in all the alkali metals, the last shell is for only one atom, ma'am.
Yes,
Any reason, ma'am, for that?
they are there like that. They are discovered and their composition is like that. There is no specific reason for that. Okay, because for example we say, like, human body consists of these number of bones. Why only this number of bones means there is no specific reason, right? They are manufactured by the god in that way. Okay, in the
Yes.
same way elements were manufactured in that way. Okay,
Okay.
and we can define like why they were written 2 8 18 8 1 like that. Why they are written means there is a reason for it. There is a chemical reason for it. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so did you understand this rubidium is used exclusively for research work? It is
Yes,
used
ma'am.
for the research work. You can write in the exam. There is no need to mention the details of the research work. You can directly write it is used as exclusively for the research. You can write. And further, for your information, I am giving you like it is used in the research work of some spacecrafts or in development of some electronic gadgets, or some special glasses or some photo cells are there. Okay, these are all high class things, higher grade things which will come in next levels of your class, maybe like intermediate or something like that. Okay, so this is about rubidium. So rubidium is clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear for everybody, rubidium?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
So now we were going to learn about other element.
Ma'am, we should remember this electronic configuration, number of neutrons and all.
For this 8th grade, whatever it is, for all elements it is not given for you. Okay, for all elements, see, generally we have 118 elements, but I am not going to explain all 118 elements. We are going to learn about alkali metals. So in the alkali metals, how many are there? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So 6 were there. So 6 will come for your exam. And then after alkali metals, we are going to learn about, I think, halogens. So in the halogens, you will be learning about fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. So then around 5 you have to remember. Okay, and after halogens, I think you are
Noble
going to
gases.
remember about noble gases. So in the noble gases, you have helium, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon. So again, 5 more are there. So altogether, how many are there? Altogether,
16.
how many are there?
16, ma'am.
So,
16.
yeah, this 16 you are going to learn, remember by heart, and do everything. For your 8th grade, as per your course book is concerned. These are the things which he has mentioned in your course book. To read and to remember and to by heart. Remaining things in your 10th grade or intermediate, as per the micro schedule, we need to learn. But what is my suggestion is, anything now or the next class you have to learn today or tomorrow, isn't it? So today or tomorrow you have to learn, because there is no other option. This periodic table is very, very, very important aspect for you all. So if you as many elements as you can, if you can learn in your lower classes, then it is easy for you when you go for the higher classes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And if my all topic was taught completely, then if I have time, I will give you some extra tips and techniques to remember. But main, I have to complete my concerned topic. Okay. After that,
Yes.
if I have time, I will definitely share, okay, some tips and techniques to study all these elements in a simpler way. Next is cesium. Okay. Next element we
What,
are
ma'am?
going to learn about cesium.
Cesium.
Cesium. Okay. So the symbol for cesium is Cs. Okay, its atomic number is 55. Electronic configuration of cesium is 2, 8, 18, 18, 8, 1. Okay, number of electrons 55. Number of electrons or protons 55. Number of neutrons 78. Okay, so symbol is